If you would like to edit an existing Salesforce Lightning page, then you need to do that through the Lightning App Builder. There are two easy ways to access the Lightning App Builder, and I'll show you those right now. Firstly, if you are on the Lightning page that you wish to edit, then you can click on the gear icon in the top right-hand corner and then select Edit Page. It'll then take you to the Lightning App Builder with that page open and ready to edit. You can see that loading now, and we'll see the various components on the canvas here. The other way to access the Lightning App Builder is through the backend in the setup area. You just type in App Builder in one of the search boxes, and you'll see the Lightning App Builder option come up. I'll click Lightning App Builder. Then you'll see the different pages you have available, and then you click Edit on one of those pages, and it will open up in the Lightning App Builder, just like the other way we showed you first. Once you've got the Lightning App Builder open, you'll see it's broken up into these three main sections. On the left-hand side, you'll see all the various components that you can add to your Lightning pages. It's a very simple process to drag those onto the page and then reorder them anywhere you want. It's very much like a drag and drop sort of website editor, if you've ever used something like that before. As you make the changes, you'll see them in real time, so you can really customize the look of your page and get a good look of what it's going to appear on the front end. On the right hand side, you'll see, I guess, more detail of the component on the page that you have selected. So at the moment, I've got this line item selected, and I can then customize that further, talk about which list it's pulling data from in this right hand side here. So no matter which item you select, the options will change, and the configuration options for that component will become available. If you want to edit overall page details, then simply click Page, and then it'll give you the overall details of the page title, API name, and you can then press Change if you want to change the page layout to add columns or take away columns, and larger scale changes like that. Once you're in the Lightning App Builder, it's easy to swap to other pages by clicking on the Pages down arrow from the very top menu. You can see any other pages around and open those to edit from there. The components that are available on the left-hand side here will change depending on the type of page that you're editing. If you're editing a home page or a dashboard page, then certain record detail components won't be available. Whereas if you're editing a record page, then you will be able to access those other components. Certain aspects of a component will not be able to be edited from the Lightning App Builder. For example, here, this is drawing its layout, I suppose, from the actual page layout settings on the object itself. So if you want to change which fields are appearing here and the order of those fields, then you need to go to the normal object manager, open that object, and edit the corresponding page layout. You can see which page layout it is. So I could just click on that. It'll take me to the object settings, and I can manipulate those fields and add new fields if I like, and they'll appear there. Once you've made all your changes, make sure you click Save so you don't lose your hard work. And you can also view how your page is looking on different form factors, such as phone or tablet, if the page layout supports that and the type of page. I hope that helps.